So, do you reach out and ask for help or support when you feel stuck? I know I didn't. As people who are high achievers, high performers, it's a sign of weakness, right? I thought of this today because today marks the 16th anniversary of my first startup, which, in the eyes of the public, did not succeed. It was deemed to be a failure. Be that as it may, I had assembled a great team and an amazing set of board of directors. They were my, inspiration. They were entrepreneurs, lawyers, and really good friends. So where was my failure? Every time I had trouble challenging my business, which is inevitable, I did not listen to them. I did not often even ask for help because I thought it was a sign of weakness. Here I was, 20-year Wall Street veteran, and I knew everything about business as far as I knew. And here I was messing up and not asking for people that were right there with me. So, my friends, if you're listening to this, if you feel stuck ever, always ask for support. Reach out to your coaches and mentors because that's what they're there for. And there's other forms of guidance you can always get. But this is the first step. Knowing and recognizing that asking a question, about dumb questions. There is no dumb question. So asking for help is super important. Don't let that opportunity pass by if you're feeling, in dilemmas and confused or feeling stuck. It is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of strength. It's empowering to reach out for help. Take care.